Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong energy update for October 1 to 15, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. Paalala lang, ang reading na to ay general reading. Sa maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Okay, let's see, Leo, what's the energy? October 1 to 15. October 1 to 15 for Leo. Wow, the sun and the moon, union, partnership, or merong agreement, no, napapasukin ka. Pwedeng this is a new contract, bagong kontrata sa work or sa business, or yung iba sa inyo may pag-aayos, no? Pwedeng may kipag-ayos, may kipagbati kayo sa dati nyong kaaway or nakatampuhan. Ayan. Can be someone from the family, no? Kasi home life, family life to. Some of you, pwedeng may mga important events sa family or sa bahay ninyo. Pwedeng may house blessing, house warming, or iba, bibili ng bahay, lupa, or lilipat ng bahay. Merong fear. Oh, okay. Meron kang gustong gawin na parang natatakot ka na gawin for some reasons. Dahil parang medyo risky to sa'yo. Pwedeng risky ang pagpasok sa isang kontrata, sa isang agreement. Can be any kind of agreement or paglipat ng bahay. Pero sabi nga, kapag daw parang natatakot ka, yun daw yung mas magiging powerful na change para sa'yo. Kasi, kumbaga ikaw mismo yung consciousness mo is kind of scared about something na hindi ka pamilyar, or pwedeng umaalis ka kasi sa comfort zone mo. And para sa iba, nakakatakot yon kasi hindi siya komportable, diba? But, I feel like this is going to bring you a lot of happiness and freedom. It's a brand new life. A brand new you. The King of Cups. Diba? Something that you love will bring success. So, kung meron kang ipupursue na career, trabaho, or business, or yung passion mo, this is going to bring success sa'yo. And then the Six of Cups is something na wini-wish mo or pangarap mo nung bata ka pa. Maaring ito'y nagbabalik, bumabalik yung opportunity na yan para sa'yo. The Tower and the Hanged Man. Ito yung matagal mo nang binibitin, na gawin, na-explore, but I feel like ngayon you realize na, okay, kailangan nang gawin, let's go. Oo. Some of you naman merong closure, magkakaroon ng closure dito from someone sa past, or meron kang mga yung bang parang para sa'yo tinapos mo na or kinat mo na yung energy mo dun sa sitwasyon na yon or relationship na yon. And you are now ready to face a new chapter ng buhay mo. I also see someone na admiring you, admiring your courage, your talents, your skills, abilities. Money, career, finances. You have the Knight of Wands. The Sun. Oy, ganda. Leo energy talaga. So, you have, I think, you are breaking free, no? Umaalis ka sa limitations mo pagdating sa career, trabaho. You are you are exploring your options, no? And yung pag-explore na yon, yun yung magbibigay sa'yo ng happiness, ng contentment, ng clarity. I feel like you are really stepping into your own power. Mas may confidence ka ngayon. Ito yung feeling na parang wala ka nang pakialam kung anong sasabihin ng iba about your decision, about your choices na gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. Kasi finally, you are doing what you really want. What you are happy doing. Ayan. Sa love life. Love life for Leo. 5 of Wands. The World. There is a conflicting energy rito, lalo na kung kayo ay in a long distance relationship. Although, pwede rin naman tong maayos, no? Kasi may union dito. But, kailangan mas mag-effort kayo ng person mo or sino man yung concern dito. Pwede kasi tong family member, romantic partner, kahit anong relationship mo dito sa tao na to. Meron lang kasing hindi na pagkasunduan. But I think, ngayong first half ng October, maayos rin naman yan. Magkakaintindihan rin kayo in the end. Which is, yun yung importante, no? Yung iba sa inyo, if you're single, pero may mga connections ka, pwedeng sa ngayon naguguluhan ka kung sino yung pipiliin mo sa kanila kasi pwedeng maraming options na available sa'yo ngayon. Pagdating sa pakikipag-relationship or connection, nothing serious para sa iba sa inyo but may potential, no, yung relationship na yun. 'Di ba? You are assessing your situation, you are checking the details kung ano ba yung tatahakin mo? Is this the right time to make that change? Naku, may broken heart, My heartbreak interference. So, some of you, this can be a relationship talaga na ina-assess mo yung situation kung okay ba sa'yo yung relationship na to, kung ano yung pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, kung aayusin mo pa ba, o may new beginnings. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring bibigyan ng chance, no? Yung person na to, lalo na kung family, no? But for some of you naman, if this is a romantic partner na feeling mo, hindi na talaga siya in alignment sa mga goals mo, sa mga gusto mo, na parang pinipigilan niya yung growth mo, may mga ginagawa siya that is blocking your success. Kasi minsan ganun sa relationship Yung sila talaga yung yung nagbablock ng success mo. So, there is also freedom. So, you are rising. You are leaving that limitations na meron ka. Dahil nga, meron ditong new beginnings. And meron ding rapid growth. So, yung iba sa inyo, in your career, finances, sa business ninyo, kung nasaan yung puso nyo, nasaan yung interest ninyo, doon kayo mas magiging very successful kahit nagsisimula pa lang kayo. So, para doon sa mga na tuklasan na nila yung kanilang passion, ayan, yung interest nila, you are going to experience happiness and freedom. Feeling mo, ang bilis ng pag-unlad. Kasi gusto mo yung ginagawa mo. Trust, approach the situation with a light heart. So, you really have to trust yourself, trust your instincts sa mga decisions mo. Minsan, hindi naman natin kailangan i-overthink Kailangan lang nating pakiramdamang maigi. Kailangan lang natin pakiramdamang maigi yung decision natin, kung saan tayo mas mapapabuti. Of course, prayers nakakatulong talaga na i-guide ka doon sa sa talagang path na para sa'yo. Ayan intuition. Listen to your soul's truth. Think less, feel more. O, diba? Ayun yung sinasabi ko eh. O, kina-clarify lang yan ng cards para sa inyo, Leo. To trust your instinct. Tinan nyo, nakalagay, trust and then intuition. So, trust your intuition in making decisions. Okay? So, that is your that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.